How high will Fantom go in the 2024 bull market? In this video I share my Fantom price prediction for 2024 with long and short term analysis, and we will have potential price targets and potential buy zones for Fantom to make maximum profits in 2024. So let's go straight into the content. Fantom is on place 62 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.1 billion. The coin is existent since 2019 and we built the all-time high in the bull run in 2021. And after we reached the all-time high, we moved to the downside. Then we saw this push nearly to the all-time high again. And after we built this high right here, we saw this massive crash to lower levels. And as we came again into this demand zone right here, where the bullish explosion started in 2021, then we found some support right here, moved to the upside again. From this new high, we moved again into this demand zone. We made a higher low right here. And then again, we saw this bullish explosion to the prices right now. We also moved over this high right here, but we didn't saw a real body close over this high. We just saw this wicks, and often if we are seeing just this wicks over important highs, the chance that we took some liquidity from this highs and moved to the opposite direction is high. And as you can see, we saw this move to the downside again, but we are still in a bullish structure. And if we now can continue this move to the upside and take out this last high, the chance is high that we move to our first price target, because this high right here was the highest high in 2023. And if we are reaching this high and find acceptance over it, then I think the chance is high that we can see even higher prices for Fantom. And then the next really interesting price target is this high right here, because this high was the start of this massive crash to the downside. And often over important highs there's much liquidity, so the chance that we are reaching this high is very high. And I think the chance is high that we can see here a larger retracement, because often people are taking profits over important highs, so the chance that we see a pullback is there. But if we find an acceptance again over this high, then the next really interesting price target is of course the all-time high. And just from the prices right now to the all-time high, we would have a potential of 780%. And I think this is already a great potential for a coin like Fantom, because Fantom is a great project with very nice fundamentals, and the best coins in the crypto space are also exploding over their last all-time high. And I think Fantom has the potential to also explode over their last all-time high. And for calculating a potential price target, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low. And with the Fibonacci tool, we are getting this kind of price targets. And if we have a look at the 3.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $12.19. And I think this could be a potential price target for the next bull run for Fantom. And if we have a look at the 2.618 Fibonacci level, we would have a price target of $8.86. And I think that a price target of $8 to $10 is very realistic for Fantom. And from the prices right now to this kind of price targets, we would have a potential of 2200%. So I think this kind of price targets are very realistic for the next bull run. But of course guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. And again, Fantom is on place 62 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.1 billion. And the circulating supply is about 88%, which is a really good sign. And if the bull run is starting, the market cap of the most crypto coins are exploding to the upside. And if Fantom reaches nearly the top 20 of all cryptocurrencies, then its price targets around $9 to $10 are very realistic. And if we have a look at the total crypto market cap right now, we are seeing this bullish trend. So the chance that we can continue to the upside is very high. And if enough money comes into the crypto market from retailers and big institutions, then the chance is high that we also explode over our last all-time high at the crypto market cap. And then the chance is very high that good altcoins like Fantom are also exploding over their last market cap. So we looked for potential price targets for the bull run for Fantom, and now we are looking for potential buy areas. And I think this kind of prices are already a great chance to buy Fantom, because we are in a bullish trend. We are now in the correction. We are also finding some support right in this area. So the chance that we are building here a higher low is very high. And the chance that we now can continue to the upside and build a higher high is also there. But if we are seeing lower prices for Fantom, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here, because this demand zone was the start of this push to the upside. So if we are coming back into this demand zone, and if we are not breaking this demand zone to the downside, and if we see bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is a great chance to buy some coins for your long-term hodl portfolio. But of course, if we are seeing even lower prices, the potential to the upside will be even bigger on Fantom. But from this buy area to a potential price target of $9 in the bull run, we would have a potential of 2900%. And I think this is an amazing deal for Fantom. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Fantom, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So guys, this is my price prediction for 2024 for Fantom. If you want to see my render token price prediction for 2024, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for the 2024 bull run. Feel free to check it out. So, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.